Today we are making some homemade ornaments. These are so simple and really inexpensive, but they're elegant and beautiful for your Christmas tree. I am taking part in a collab being hosted by Natalie from Design of the Nines and Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi. So I will have a link to a playlist down in the description box, so make sure you check out all the other DIY Christmas ornaments. If you're new to my channel, I'm Julie, welcome. And on my channel, I do home decor, DIYs, crafting, and organizing, and I do it all on a budget. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get to making the ornaments. For the first ornament, you're going to be using some free printable Christmas music, which I'll have linked down below, a pen or a pencil, and you're going to want something to make circles. I'm just going to use a cup. You're going to want a glue stick, something to hang your ornament. You're going to want scissors and a hole punch. Now to begin, I am just going to trace out 8 total circles, and then I'm going to cut them out and glue them together, and then fold them in half. Finally, you're going to glue each of the pieces together at the seam, and then I'm just going to use a hole punch to punch a hole and then put a piece of red pipe cleaner for hanging it. But you could also use a regular one of the little hooks that you buy with ornaments. I just don't have any on hand, so I just used the red pipe cleaner. For this second ornament, you're going to need 3 sheets of Christmas music printed out on cardstock, some lace ribbon you can get at the Dollar Tree, some burlap, twine, and these sprigs I picked up at the Target dollar spot, some scissors, and some hot glue. And to begin, I'm just going to cut the sheet music out. For this third ornament, you're going to need these gift tags that I picked up from the Target dollar spot. I'm going to use a couple of the leftover pieces of the sprigs from the other project, some glue, and again some more Christmas music, a hot glue gun, and a pencil. Now I decided that I wanted the little metal part of the ornament to be sparkly, so I used this sparkle glitter paint that I had, and I just did a couple coats and let it dry. After looking at the ornament, it definitely needed to be glittery, so I took some glitter spray. This is so much easier than actually using glue and glitter, and I just sprayed a few sprays onto the ornament to give it a nice glistening look. For the fourth and final ornament, you're going to need some Elmer's glue mixed with a little bit of water, or you could use Mod Podge, some of these clear ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and some more sheet music. And you're just going to want to rip up the sheet music into little pieces. And we're going to be Mod Podging them on to the clear ornaments. Here it is, all complete, and I decided to use a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can check out these other videos if you're looking for some more Christmas DIYs. Have a blessed day, guys. See you next time.